phải không? Ngon đúng không? Tôi đi thánh lễ phải không?
Vietnam is amazing. Lots of fun and lot of activities. But then you get hungry. So here is a question. How expensive is Vietnam and how much you will pay for food here? Another question follows. When in Vietnam, should you rather eat out or should you do some grocery shopping and some home cooking? In this video, I will do my best to answer those two questions. But first, let me take you to local food market. To local food market located in Da Nang. And when saying local, I didn't mean only the proximity. When I walked there was no any other tourists, just local people, local sellers and local buyers. I think you already know what it means. It means that the prices were really low. However, I think I should clarify it here. Really low, but for tourists. Even so budget-minded tourists like the one here. Hello my friends. So I'm just back right now from a local market in Da Nang. And I still can't believe how affordable, for tourists of course, let's please remember that as a tourist we have a much better financial situation here. How affordable is Vietnam for tourists if we are talking about the food, especially if you are trying to eat as a local. So let me show you something. You see here 2 portions of very delicious noodles with meat and veggies. One with regular noodles and chicken, and second one with rice noodles and beef. I can assure you, very tasty, full of flavors, very spicy, but that's the way I like it. You could actually ask for less spicy. And all that cost me 50,000 Vietnamese dongs, which is $2. American dollars. But you probably did notice I added 1 banana and 1 orange to each portion. Why? Because if I wouldn't add, it would be $1.65, not $2. So I did allow myself for dessert. Another option, when I will be less hungry and more thirsty, is 1 portion and 2 beers. And this would cost me $1.90. So the answer to question number 1 is quite obvious. Food is here really cheap. Either this is when you are eating out or if you are buying grocery. But once again, we are talking about eating as a local. We can of course find expensive restaurants with European style of food. However, the food, even in those European style of restaurants, would be much cheaper than, let's say, in New York City. And now, my answer to question number 2. You may say buying groceries and cooking at home when the prices of when you're eating out are so low is plainly stupid. But let me tell you something. I really love Vietnamese food. Banh mi, pho and many other dishes. But as you maybe noticed, many dishes here are based on noodles or rice. So if you are on low carb diet, your choice is either to go to this expensive Western European style restaurant or buy a nice piece of meat and grill the steak at home. And next to that, prepare for yourself a big bowl of Western style green salad with tomato, cucumbers and many other healthy vegetables. I hope that you will find information I provided here very helpful, particularly if you are planning your trip to Vietnam. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It will help me to grow my channel and to find better topics to show better places for you in the future. Thank you and see you later.